Hey everyone, I welcome you to the VirtueGaming platform where you get to experience games like never before. On our platform, you can customize and launch existing games, choose from playing skill or luck-based games, and even build community engagements through gaming rewards. We offer Launchpad, mobile app, and SDKs to integrate gaming into your platform, website, or even community. The total market size of blockchain gaming is projected to be about 50 billion US dollars, rising at a CAGR of 20%. But this market isn't without certain barriers, with issues like complexity, vulnerabilities, scalability, and asset ownership, along with the learning curve that limits its growth. Our platform helps communities and Web2 companies port their existing games to Web3, increase engagement by offering 100% asset ownership and a fair play experience to their users, powered by Aptos Randomness. Let's see the virtual gaming platform in action.
This is how our platform looks, where you can play and launch the listed stock games. You can customize and launch the listed games like Bingo, Snakes and Ladders, and Memory Match, enabling users to play different versions of the game. Now let's log in into the platform. We have integrated Petra while we are trying for keyless login. Once the message is signed, we are now ready to launch games. Let's launch a Bingo game. We'll fill in all the details like name, description, price, images, start time, and other information. And the smart contract will be deployed from the backend. Users will be now able to see it listed on the platform. Until the game starts, users can buy the NFT tickets, which are transferable and hold the unique numbers required to play the game. Once the timer ends, anyone can start the game and start drawing numbers at a certain interval. Each number drawn comes from the Aptos Randomness Module called from the backend and is accessed using the indexer on the front end, so that users don't have to spend gas. As we progress to a stage where we get part or all the numbers on the ticket matched, we can call the claim price function to take our share from the price pool. Now we'll try deploying Snakes and Ladders by entering the required information related to the blockchain keywords. After the game is created, we can now start the game anytime, as it's a single player trivia based game. Rolling the dice gets us a random number, which allows us to move up the board, and whenever we encounter a snake or a ladder, we'll have to answer a question related to the theme of the game. This current game board has certain terminology listed on each cell of the board, which users can learn as they navigate through them. After they reach to the end position, they can submit the results to the smart contract and update their NFT with the final information. Similarly, we can also create a memory game where users can find matching cards from the collection. In these single-player games, there is also an option to reward users who complete these quests in a certain time duration with airdrops. We also invite other developers to be a part of this platform and list some interesting board games and earn royalties.
Here's a little sneak peek of the mobile app that's under development. This was all built using Go-based backend and Next.js-based frontend. We're using the Aptos Randomness Module for random number generation, digital asset standard for minting NFTs as tickets, and delegate functions for gasless transactions. We are also working on Flutter-based mobile app and integrating keyless and sponsored transaction modules. Our next steps involve integrating keyless and sponsored transactions for the seamless onboarding of users, then have a soft launch for selected users that plan on using SDKs and mobile app, which eventually leads to the mainnet launch for the platform. That's it for now. Thank you for your time, and I invite you to try VirtueGaming.